Imagine you find a photo of your great-grandfather. Normal, right? But then you look closer and realize in the photo he somehow looks older than he should be for his time. That's the kind of headache scientists are dealing with right now. We have been always told the Big Bang happened about 13.8 billion years ago, the beginning of our universe as we know it. But the James Webb Space Telescope, our $10 billion golden eye in the sky, has been looking back in time and found galaxies that seem more mature and massive than expected for their age. Not impossible, but definitely surprising. So what's going on? Is our timeline slightly off, or is the universe hiding deeper secrets? Today we are diving into one of the biggest cosmic puzzles right now. The unexpected galaxies. To understand why this matters, we need to talk about how Webb works. It's basically a time machine because light takes time to travel. When Webb looks at a galaxy billions of light years away, it's seeing that galaxy as it was billions of years ago. According to our current cosmological models, right after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. It should have taken hundreds of millions of years for the first stars to form and much longer to build large structured galaxies like our Milky Way, but Webb has found galaxies that appear surprisingly massive and well-formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. They are not breaking the laws of physics, but they are pushing our models to adapt. It's like expecting a beginner-level sketch and getting a fully detailed painting instead. The timeline might need some adjustment. It is not just galaxies. Let's talk about the so-called Methuselah star, officially known as HD 140283. Earlier measurements once suggested this star might be older than the universe itself, around 14 billion years. That sounds impossible, right? But here's the twist. Improved measurements and better data have since refined its age to around 12 to 13 billion years, which fits within the age of the universe. So rather than breaking physics, it actually highlights how tricky and precise cosmic measurements can be. In other words, the equation was not wrong, the inputs just needed better accuracy. So, if some observations are pushing our expectations, could there be deeper ideas at play? One theory scientists explore is the Big Bounce. Imagine the universe like a breathing system, expanding and contracting over time. Instead of a single beginning from nothing, there could have been a previous universe that collapsed and then expanded again. It's a fascinating idea, but it's important to note there's currently no direct evidence for this. So it remains a hypothesis scientists are still investigating, not an established fact. You might think, so what if galaxies formed earlier than expected? But for scientists, this is a big deal. It means our understanding of how galaxies form, how matter behaves, and how the early universe evolved might need refinement. Not a complete rewrite, but definitely an upgrade. And that's exactly how science works. New observations don't destroy knowledge, they sharpen it. The James Webb Telescope is not proving everything wrong. It's helping us see the universe more clearly than ever before. The universe is still full of mysteries, maybe more than we ever imagined, and every new discovery brings both answers and deeper questions. So, what do you think? Are these early galaxies just a sign that our models need tuning? Or could there be something even bigger we are missing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what we uncover next. And I also post on Instagram, so you can check that out too if you want. So thanks for watching and keep looking up.